All right, we're back in the van. It's time to leave Portland. We finally got our stove. The sunshine has come out. It was time to go. And just before we go, we just want to say a massive thank you to Carrie and Isaac for lending us your home for like an entire week. It was amazing staying with you guys. Thank you so much. And we can't wait to see you guys on the road yet again. So until then, remember to keep on roaming.
Hugo?
There's someone yielding in the roundabout.
These jokers don't know how to drive. Welcome to Washugo, everybody.
Holy moly. Well, we're out here in Washington. It's like so friggin' big. Hey guys, how's it going?
Oh my god.
Wow. We're out here in Washington with Lindsay and Micah, and we're gonna hike to a waterfall. Woo!
Be like, come give your grandma a kiss.
I'm gonna give your grandma a kiss.
Like my 12-year-old daughter.
One of those guys now, freaking selfie. Photographer's paradise out here. Hello.
Hi.
What's up, pretty? How do you feel about it, Lynn? Yeah.
Are you going down there?
Yeah, definitely. The man, the myth, the legend.
The ultimate dad stance. It's going viral. It's going viral.
Ninja. All right, let's hike back up this mountain. Well, hello and good morning. We're here in the van. We're just on Lindsay's parents' property, and I've been struggling all morning to get a fire going. Megan has been struggling all morning to get coffee through my AeroPress because I use really super fine coffee. We're gonna go on an adventure with Micah and Lindsay today. It's gonna be super fun. Yeah, we're doing it. So today we are here and we are going to hike Beacon Hill? Beacon Hill?
Beacon Rock.
Beacon Rock. Beacon Rock. It's a very tall monolith of rock and we're gonna go up it.
Yep.
It's gonna be great. Woo! Like I said, a very tall monolith of rock. Your drone loses connection.
Careful. Don't die. Yeah. Here.
Yeah.
Thank goodness.
Thank goodness. DJI, you need to improve your connections. Well, I can't say I'm super stoked about that. The drone took off and then I flew it out over the cliff and then it immediately disconnected on me. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna try again at the top. Hopefully it's not too windy. That's the top of Beacon Rock. Yeah, I'm gonna remember it fluidly one day. What did you think of a hike, Meg?
I think it's awesome. It's about all I could muster today, so thumbs up.
Yeah, Meg and Micah are both sick. Meg decided to come hiking because she's way tougher than Micah. Micah, you heard that, right? Megan's tougher than you.
Lauren.
We're exploring. Oh yeah, we're exploring. Leaving Micah and Lindsay in Meshuggah and we're heading to Bend. Unfortunately, Mike was really sick today, so we didn't really see him too much. But we got to hang out with Lindsay, which was really nice. And yeah, so we missed you guys already and hope to see you down in Baja at some point. And now for us, it's onward and upward. So we arrived here last night after traveling from Washougal, after visiting with Lindsay and Micah. And it was just kind of a spot that we found, and we didn't want to drive all the way to Bend because we needed to be there for the next week, and we just wanted to kind of go slowly. So yeah, we just arrived here in the dark, and it's pretty damn spectacular here. There's like cliffs back there and beautiful trees, and looks like there was a burn through here a little while ago, so there should be a lot of wood for me to harvest, which coincidentally that's what I'm doing this morning. So this is a moment that I've been looking forward to for a very long time. It's going and harvesting wood for our fireplace, and there's this nice dead tree here that looks like it will be a perfect candidate. So let's go get the chainsaw. Sun's come out. Hello, love. How's it going? Are you warm in here? Excellent. Been waiting a long time to use this. Just got it second hand off a guy in Surrey. That should be maybe a day or two's burn. These two little guys are probably my favorite tools now. Hi, love.
Hello.
It's nice and warm in here, right? Oh.
Yeah.
Aw. Meg is sick. So she's not having the greatest of days.
No,
Well, it's pretty good.
I'm having a good day.
Yeah, and it looks like you've been making some kindling.
Yeah.
Way to go. Oh, we can burn so many things now. Yes. Coffee time?
Yeah.
All right. This ain't bad. Hello.
Hi.
What have you got making?
Oats.
Delish.
Yeah.
Just out here on a little walk, kind of getting an idea for what it looks like around here, other than where we're camped. Beautiful area, my goodness. And there's so many camping spots here. Well, I've hiked up the road a bit, just so that, I don't know, just get the lay of the land. We're parked down there somewhere. But yeah, the canyon's cool. It's a good spot, eh?
Real good spot.
Yeah. snowing.
And we're cozy in our home.
Yeah. We're here in our spot that we parked in yesterday. It's a pretty cold night, and woke up just overcast and decided that we would kind of just sleep or read and hang out, and then it started snowing. So that's kind of cool. What's you cooking?
Quesadillas, boiled eggs, and carrots and hummus.
We certainly didn't come prepared to sit here for 2 days, 2 full days. So we're just kind of eating down the last of our food. Eggs. Tortillas.
Eggs in a sink.
Eggs in the sink. Little fire's juicing away still. Yeah. Oh, bon appetit. I'm just out on a walk. Megan is sleeping because she's still getting over a cold, and I wanted a little bit of exercise. The environment around here is quite interesting. There's a fire that went through here a while back, like I said, and all this oak and pine are all burned up and just kind of making for a really eerie place. You can see our camp spot down there. And home sweet home.